Hello, I want to tell you about the mm, if I have the one 100,000 won dollar. If I get this money, first I made a safety money account and I saved the money in that account, and I will remain the some rest money, so I will invest some safe investment in rest money, and I will invest on American stock because recently USA's stock is keep raising, so I think that USA's stock is so safe and I will get some advantage on this stock, and I will repeat the investment, so I will make money more bigger. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.